Welcome back. Still tuned into Midcap Radar on CNBC-TV18. As promised, let's focus on a conversation now. SIS Limited reported record high revenue of about 2,900 crore rupees in the third quarter, and even margins improved. Now, how has Q4 shaped up? Will the double-digit revenue growth sustain? Dhiraj Singh, the group CEO of the company, is joining us now to discuss the same. Mr. Singh, good afternoon. Thank you so much for joining us. Well, as I said, it has been record high revenues for you in Q3. Can you give us a sense of how Q4 has shaped up? Has it been better than Q3, or are you flat on a quarter-on-quarter basis here?
Good afternoon, Rima and Sonal. Well, it's a little too early to give predictions for Q4, but our focus has been on the margins. And as you would have seen in Q3, our margins has significantly improved. At a group level, it's gone up from 4% to 4.4% quarter-on-quarter. In our security business, our mainstay business, from Q4 of FY22, where it was at 3.8% margin, is gone up to 4.9% in Q3. So the summary is that our prime focus is on the margin percentage, and that we see continually improving quarter on quarter. We are working on all fronts, whether it's the contracts, how we sell them, whether it's a gross margin improvement plan or our SG&A plan. And all of these are yielding the results, which we hope they will continue in the next few quarters.
Mr. Singh, afternoon. What could be the extent of margin improvement in Q4?
We hope to get back to pre-COVID levels for India business at about 5.5–6% within a year or so, and it will be sequentially quarter on quarter that it will happen. We are at currently about 4.4%. So yes, we won't be able to give a prediction for a particular quarter, but over a year or two, we will get back to the pre-COVID level of about 6%. If you want to work it backwards, roughly we should expect at least a 0.25% every quarter improvement.
This is for the security solutions India business that you want to get back to 6% in the next 1 year.
Yes.
And the outlook on margins for the other two businesses, security services international and facilities management?
Correct. Facility management has seen a one-time dip in Q3. We hope and we are quite optimistic that it will come back with pre-quarter level in this quarter. Again, over the next 1.5 years, it should reach the pre-COVID level of about 6%. International business has traditionally, it's been at around 4.5 to 5%. And we see that level being achieved over the next 2–3 quarters itself.
Okay, that is on the margins. I wanted to understand monthly deal win run rate was around 21 crore in Q3 for India security versus 24 crore rupees in September and June. Can you just generally tell us this revenue growth that we are talking about? You said you'll not be able to give us a guidance, but how on both the domestic and the facility management and the international services, how are deal wins right now?
So in our India business, in both facility management and security, we grow about 1.5 to 2% month-on-month basis. So it's one of the highest growth businesses on a monthly revenue basis, 1.5 to 2%. If you look at international business, we have traditionally been winning about 15 million Aussie dollars a month-on-month basis. And we see both in India and in abroad these levels being maintained.
Just do stay on, Mr. Singh. With great sadness, we wish to inform you that Ashwini Gujral, he was a very respected stock market chartist, a technical expert. He's been a part of the CNBC